what people say to do. Cause what they do ain't nothing new. That's the way it is. That's the way it is.
Hello Visionary Beauties, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you new to this channel, I want to say a huge welcome to you. I'm glad you stopped by. And while you're here, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, show your love and support, and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss another upload from me. And let's get into this gorgeous spring ready hair. Today's wig review is a collaboration with So Good BB. They were kind enough to send me out this gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous unit right here, and it's by Bobbi Boss, and this is their 13x4 hand tie Swiss lace front human hair blend, ear to ear natural hairline free parting. Choose your own parting, center part, left side part, right side part, and I got her in the style MBLF180, either Dayana or Dayana, and then I got it in the color TT1B/Honey Bee. Let me go ahead and show you the stock card. The one on the model is, I believe, the purple one, which is also gorgeous. But as it stated in the stock card, so you do get a 13x4 parting space, so you can part it anywhere in this section of the wig. You do have to remove the lace from the front of the perimeter. You do also get your standard 3 combs with your adjustable strap at the back, so you can fit this to your head. Let's get into this color now. It is a true honey blonde. I'm getting highlights and lowlights within this unit. If you move it certain angles. Let's talk about the density on this wig. This is a beautiful light yaki unit. The density is phenomenal, so keep in mind, if you like something that's pretty full, this is a perfect unit for you. So this unit is pretty darn full. If you want to put this into a low pony, it will be too cute. I want to say this unit is about a good 20 inches long, if not 22 inches long. So it's pretty long. You do get dark roots in the front. As you get to the back, it's pretty much honey blonde. So you get most of the dark roots in the front and at the top, and within the parting space. So let me go ahead and give you that close-up into my 360. So this is what this is looking like. As I stated, you can part this anywhere within the 13x4 space. Let's get into this color. It's a gorgeous honey blonde colorway. Like, this is gorgeous. Look at this, that luster. Now this is not shiny at all. This has a beautiful natural luster. Now I will say with this particular unit, I did get some tangling, minimal shedding. Because it is yaki and it is long, that is a combination for it probably will tangle, but not too bad. I just took my brush, my powder brush like this, and I just comb through the bottom, work my way up, and as you can see, it's fine. Keep in mind, a lot of times when you get colorways that are light in color, they sometimes tangle anyway, like the grays and the lighter colors sometimes tangle, even in the short units. As far as big head friendly, I feel like this wig is super big head friendly. So let me go and give you that 360.
Baby girl.
I want to say a huge thank you to So Good BB for sending me out this wig to review. She is gorgeous. I would have loved to try that in the purple as well. If you guys know, I love me some color. If you have her, let me know what you think. How do you feel about her? Down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll leave all information and link to purchase down in the description box, so please do not forget to check that out. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please continue to share so I can come to you more content and things you'd like to see. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media, Annette Beauty on Instagram and Visionary Beauty on Facebook. And as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.
Calling all night, I can pull the wool while I'm being polite. Darling, calling all night.